Beauties, it's me, Allegra. Believe it or not, I am hopping on with another advent calendar unboxing. So this is an advent calendar 2022 from Benefit Cosmetics. Now, I am slightly addicted to advent calendars. I feel like you get such a great deal for so many amazing products. They're so exciting to unbox, and they make amazing gifts generally, hopefully, if they're good. So that's why I have so much fun reviewing them for you and letting you know which ones are good and which ones are not. You know, if you want to treat yourself or treat a loved one, you definitely don't want to waste your money, because so many of them do turn out to be duds. But hopefully this one today is not a dud. This one again is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it's a little bit different. So it's not your traditional, this is how it came. It's not, you know, it's called a beauty box, so maybe that's why. So they're calling it 12 days of big time beauty mail. It's different. Okay, well, let's unbox it and see what's going on. So this was $65, pricey for this small box, right? But they say there is $142 worth of product in here, so apparently you are saving more than half. You're gonna get a good amount. Let's see what's inside before we'll see for ourselves if this really is an amazing value. Now, I love Benefit Cosmetics so much. I love their brow products. I could use all of their brow products, every single one of them, and I'd be happy on, on one set of brows. I could use them all. I'll mix multiple. I love to mix all the products together to get the perfect brow. And so if there's only brow products in here, a girl's gonna be happy. I'll be a happy girl. So, oh my God, guys, how cute. There is actually drawers to unbox. Oh, I'm so happy, because I was a little disappointed when I didn't know if there was gonna be drawers or whatnot. So it's so cute. It comes with this little card on the side, and it says, "Hello, gorgeous. Happiest holidays from your beauty BFF. Love and lashes. You'll always make the sleigh bells ring." This is so cute. You could send this to a friend. You can address it and put your friend on it, address it to a friend and send it. That's so cute. I'm actually gonna do that. That's so cute. Okay, beauties. The days are numbered, so let's go ahead, and this is day number 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all numbered. So let's see what's in day number 1. Oh, so it's a pretty big box that comes out, and let's see here. So here it is. I love when they wrap it too. That's so nice that they wrapped it. It's so much fun. Let's see what this. Oh my God, you guys! This is seriously. I'm addicted to this. Oh wait, is this the volumizing pencil? It says Precisely My Brow Pencil, and it should be this. Oh no, it's not the same one. The volumizing pencil I just love so much, but I can use this too. This one has a very fine tip. The volumizing one is a thicker tip, and it really, ever since I got into it, I've never been happier with my brows. But I do mix a few. Like I said, I have another Benefit brow product, and I mix them together, and then I use a brow gel. So I mix everything up. But this one I don't have anymore. This is kind of like that very micro tip. But you can, if you're a brow addict, which I am now a brow addict, you can get good use out of all of your brow products, because they each one do a different thing, especially when they're totally drawn on like mine are. Oh, this is so amazing. And I really, for me, I feel like now it's really worth the splurge to purchase the Benefit products, because especially if you have to draw your brows on like me. If you don't have that situation, there's plenty of drugstore brow products that are phenomenal. But if you need that extra help, I'm addicted to these Benefit products. So this one is amazing. I'm so happy to add this to my brow arsenal, because that just went on. It filled in every tiny little gap. So love that. And like I don't know if I said this, I was thinking it. If this is all brow products, I'll be so happy. But they have so many good products. The Benefit Lip, they have so many amazing products. But if this is only brow products, I will be very happy, because I'm a brow addict. So here, I love the package, the paper too, so pretty, with this bubblegum pink color. It has like holiday candies on it. So festive. Oh, a feather, so pretty. Oh, here is the roller lash eyeliner. I haven't used this in the longest time, so I would love, guys, how are we gonna get through the box, right? Good. If you keep playing with everything, we'll never get through the box. Okay, but look at how amazing. I know I've used the mascara, which was amazing, but look at that. I don't know if I've used the liner, and this is amazing. Not putting out too much product. It's so precise. So that is amazing. I'm so glad, because I might have tried it a long time ago. I don't remember, but I know I tried the mascara and I loved it. But this liner is, can we talk about that? I hope you could see that. I hope it dried. Sometimes, you know, my lash glue, it's dried. Okay. Ooh, I'm so glad, guys. And it fits. I love how everything is fitting so beautifully in my makeup bag. All of these advent calendars that I got. A lot of them are these deluxe travel sizes or, you know, the travel size. And, you know, the travel size is really amazing. Everything fits so beautifully in my makeup bag now, because before my makeup bag was getting pretty crowded. But now everything is fitting like a dream. So, okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. I'll try to keep not playing with the makeup. Okay, here is day number 3. Let's see what this is. I love everything's so brightly colored. I love it. Just different unexpected holiday colors, like this beautiful, it's like a neon yellow, beautiful. And pink, you know, just not your traditional holiday colors, just so pretty. Oh, so here is a Bad Gal Bang mascara. This I love. So this is another one. I'm happy. I truly am so happy with these sizes. So again, it's going to fit so beautifully in my makeup bag. I am traveling, and a lot of people travel. And a lot of people travel for the holidays, so if you have to go sleep over or traveling, you could just easily pack all of these up for yourself, you know, with this nice travel size. So, oh, here's day 4. I thought I lost it. Okay, here is day 4. And, okay, let's see what's inside. Beautiful hunter green color. So, oh, it's a Benefit Professional. My favorite. This is actually my favorite. I'm wearing it today. So, I'm so happy. This is the hydrating one, which I don't think I've been using the regular one, but I do love the hydration of, you know, hydrating products. Gives a glow to the skin, which I love. So I can't wait to try that. Plus it's going to be the same. I think I've tried a sample, a small sample, but this is a larger deluxe size, so I could get a good use out of that. So here is day number 5, and another gorgeous color, just so different and unique. More beautiful paper, and oh, this is their real mascara. Oh, I'm gonna put all these to use, beauties, believe me, because I love Benefit mascara. You know, if you love a brand, of advent calendar is a great idea, because pretty much then it's guaranteed you're gonna love everything, because I love Benefit. So I'm loving everything so far. These are all home runs. These are all amazing. So here is day number 6. So let's go ahead and open this one. Yeah, like the Charlotte Tilbury, I loved it, because if you're like if you're an addict for a certain brand, advent calendar is a great idea. Oh, here's the brow gel. So love this. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm putting everything in my makeup bag. So that was day 6. Now here is day 7. A little bit of a different size. What could it be? So oh, is this a blush? You guys, I love Benefit blush. It is. It's the Dandelion blush, which I have tried this in store and I wanted it, but I won't let myself purchase things sometimes, because I'll say you have, but I loved it. I should have got it. I should have bought it, but I'm the type of person, like I said, sometimes I'll say, oh, but you have it. So, you know, I'm annoying. I annoy myself. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta try this. This looks, I've tried it in store and I loved it, but I'm so happy I have my own now. It's brightening. See, it doesn't really give a lot of color, but it brightens your face. Also is a beautiful base if you go in with a brighter blush. So, do you guys see a difference? Do you guys see a difference? It's very subtle, but then it brightens. So how gorgeous is that? I love it. I love it. Okay, so now here is day number 8. Another beautiful green box. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Another mascara, Roller Lash. Okay, yeah, I've tried that. Love it, love it, love it. And then here is day number 9. So let's see what this one is. Where is it? Okay. This one is called 24-Hour Brow Setter. I've never tried this one. So I'm gonna try that tomorrow. I can't wait, because I do my brows I do my makeup every day pretty much, because I feel so good with my brow. But my brows I always love to do. Brows and concealer are like must do for me to feel presentable. So anyway, guys, here's day number 10. This is another blush, day 10. Maybe this is a bronzer. Love their bronzers too. So oh, it is a bronzer. No, I ran out. It's a Hoola bronzer, guys. I use this. I've gone through several of those, so that's great, because I will definitely put that. Everything here I'm putting to good use. Everything's going to be used up, and it's going to be in my empties box. You're gonna see it all in my empties box. So here, as I have a lot of makeup in my empties box that I can't wait to share with you beauties. So soon I'm gonna be, I'm trying to collect this a lot, but I have a lot in there right now. I'm so happy because I've been doing my makeup every day now, so I have so much empties. So, oh, here's another professional, the traditional one. This is actually the one I'm wearing right now, but I will definitely wear the hydrating one too. Give it a try. Hopefully it doesn't leave me oily. I don't think it will. I've tried it before, the teeny one. But anyhow, I'm so excited. Those will both be put to good use. And then here is day 12 finally. So let's see what it is. What is it? Another mascara, magnet mascara. I will be back to try all those mascaras out. We'll give them a try and see which one out of all of them is the best. We'll give it a, give it our best shot. But look how beautiful this box is. I wish I gotta find a purpose for this box. Look at how cute this is. Oh, this is so festive. I'm definitely gonna put this out for the holidays in my house, like a holiday decoration, because it's beautiful. Oh, I can't take it. I can't take all this holiday goodness, guys. All these festivities, everything is so festive and beautiful. It's just, oh, it's just making me so happy. Are you guys excited for the holiday season? I don't even feel like it was ever holidays before. Usually I would get into the holidays, in December. But they're just coming out with so many beautiful holiday things that, I cannot resist. So why not get into the spirit now? I tell you what, it feels amazing. The holiday spirit feels amazing. So if I were you, get on it right now. Like, just, I don't know how, put a little decoration in your house. However we could, we got to get this holiday spirit going. It's amazing. So let me know what you beauties think of this Benefit Cosmetics beauty box. Do you think it's worth the money? There was a lot of mascara, so I'm going to use it all though. But I just like when you open an advent calendar and it's everything is very exciting one after another. So to repeat too many times, you start to, it doesn't seem exciting. You just want some, it's not that you don't love them. It's just that you want to see something new and exciting. So, you want to mix it up as much as possible. I would, if I made my own advent calendar, that's what I would do. So what do you beauties think though? Let me know down below. And thank you beauties so much for coming and spending time with me today. And I will see you very soon. Bye.